definition says the expression or application of human creative skill and imagination, typically in a visual form such as painting or sculpture, producing works to be appreciated primarily for their beauty or emotional power. This man in the picture is Mark Rothko, who is a great painter, who is known for his color field paintings. Say a person having good knowledge in the field of painting and another person having minimum knowledge are allowed to stand in front of this painting. Or say this one. The second one might not understand what he is looking at. But when he sees something like this, he can easily figure out what is going on, what is the purpose of the characters, the scene, the atmosphere, thus making cinema easy to understand. But by this, I didn't mean to say painting or any other art forms are not as good as cinema. What I mean to say is, cinema can be easily understood by everyone. Suppose if you hear this. A person having a good sense of music will only understand what this Mozart's symphony is all about. Cinema helps us to easily understand the situation, the characters, and the atmosphere within, because it creates a journey and we as viewers witness everything from every point of view. Let us take an example from a TV series named Normal People, directed by Lenny Abramson and Hattie MacDonald. Taking this frame, Marian seems happy sitting on the sofa in this big room with a book on table. But why is there a book on the table, not in the bookshelf? If it would have been any other art form, say painting, it would have been difficult to predict the journey of Marian or any other object present in the room. Like, why is Marian sitting there? If we see the frame, the only source of light in this room is that which is coming from a window. And this sunlight is not permanent. There is a bookshelf beside the window because she reads a lot of books as she is a loner. Thus the background sums up her life. That is, life consists of books and the only source of light is sunlight, which will fade away as the night will take over. The empty chairs in front of her suggest the emptiness in the house. And she is away from the camera, away from us, audiences, happy for a moment in her own world. As in the series, when sadness surrounds her, camera pans right into her face. Now, how can I figure out all this? It is because of the medium. Cinema creates and establishes a journey of a character, shows their ups and downs more clearly, which are easy to understand, thus making it the easiest and one of the most convenient art forms we have today.